Right, Adani Enterprises is back in the market to raise fresh capital. The company has launched a QIP with a base issue size of up to 10,000 crore rupees, along with an option to upsize depending on investor demand. Now, the indicative issue price has been set at 2,833 per share. That's a 5% discount to the floor price of this issue, which is at 3,034 rupees, and at a 9.3% discount to Thursday's closing price of 3,177.5. Now, at the base issue price, the company is expected to issue roughly 3.47 crore new equity shares. And as for the utilization of funds, Adani Enterprises says that the proceeds will be used to fund capital expenditure, that's capex, for its new incubation business, as well as repay debt and meet general corporate requirements, including potential acquisitions as well as strategic investments. Now, the issue is going to be managed by Jefferies, SBI Capital, ICICI Securities and IIFL Securities, and this marks another flagship major fundraise for the Adani Group. In October 2024, the company raised around 4,200 crores via a QIP as well, followed by 24,930 crores that was raised through a rights issue in late 2025. Now, with this 10,000 crore QIP, Adani Enterprises will be continuing to strengthen its balance sheet while raising capital to fund its next phase of expansion through its incubating business. So these are all the details that we have as of now on the Adani Enterprises QIP. Back to you.
Thanks, Meryl, for that. So Adani raising another 15 thousand crores, because that's the total size of the issue, 10,000 plus a upsize of 5,000 odd crores. What we understand from sources is that all the top mutual funds have subscribed to it. There are multiple foreign investors, including BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, which are also part of this fundraising, where they have subscribing to the entire QIP there. In total, Adani has raised roughly around 40 to 45,000 odd crores in the last 2.5 years. That's close to $4.5 to $5 billion of fundraised through equity alone, and that gives you a kind of scale of equity raise that this company has done. It also gives you an indication of the scarcity of the stock which is there in the market, because for the longest time many of the mutual funds didn't have that stock, and it's only in the last 2 to 3 months that we have seen funds like SBI Mutual Fund, increasing the exposure to Adani there. The stock has run up nearly 41% in this year alone, and that also gives you an idea of the kind of demand which is coming in for Adani stock in the market there. So it's a fairly big fundraising meant to reduce debt, increase capex, and maybe inorganic growth going forward.